This is very important question and it is a multiple choice question on progressions that states if 1 log of x to the base y, log of y to the base z and minus 15 log of z to the base x, if these are in AP, that is in arithmetic progression, then which of the following options is correct? So let's check this. So these terms are in AP. Let D be the common difference. Then log of x to the base y minus 1 is equal to D, and log of y to the base z minus 1 is equal to 2D, yes, and minus 15 log of z to the base x minus 1 is equal to 3D. So difference between first and the second term is D. Difference between first and the third term will be 2D, and the difference between first and the third term will be 3D. So these equations can be rewritten as log of x to the base y is equal to 1 plus D, log of y to the base z is equal to 1 plus 2D, and minus 15 log of z to the base x is equal to 1 plus 3D. Right? Now first equation implies that x is equal to y the power 1 plus d. Second equation implies that y is equal to z the power 1 plus 2d. Now if I take minus 15 to the denominator of 1 plus 3d, so I can get the value of z to be equal to x the power minus of 1 plus 3d divided by 15. Right? Now as x equal to y the power 1 plus d, I can use the value of y over here. Similarly, I can use the value of z over here. As x is equal to y the power 1 plus d, using the value of y, so this is z the power 1 plus 2d the power 1 plus d. So that becomes z the power 1 plus 2d into 1 plus d. Now using the value of z over here, so this is x the power negative of 1 plus 3d divided by 15 to the power 1 plus 2d into 1 plus d. So that becomes x the power negative of 1 plus 3d into 1 plus 2d into 1 plus d divided by 15. Now on the left hand side, we are having the power of x to be 1. We can equate both the powers now. So this implies 1 is equal to negative of 1 plus 3d, 1 plus 2d, 1 plus d. I'm taking this 15 to the other side, and also this negative sign. On simplifying this equation, we get 6d cube plus 11d square plus 6d plus 16 equals to 0. Let's check whether d equal to negative 1 satisfy this equation or not. No, it is not. And then d equal to negative 2. Yes, minus 2 is satisfying this equation. So making the factors of this, d plus 2 into 6d square minus d plus 8 is equal to 0. So from here we get d is equal to minus 2, and from this factor we are getting the complex roots of equation 6d square minus d plus 8 equals to 0. So taking d equal to minus 2 and now getting the values of x, x is what? It is y the power 1 plus d. So that is equal to y the power 1 minus 2. So that is y the power minus 1. Right? Okay. Then y is equal to z the power 1 plus 2d. So that is equal to z the power 1 minus 4. So that is equal to z the power minus 3. So from here we get x equal to y the power minus 1. And from here we are getting y is equal to z the power minus 3. And we can also use the value of y over here. For that, we get x equal to y the power minus 1 equals to, putting the value of y as z the power minus 3, we get z the power minus 3 to the power minus 1, that is equal to z cube. So we also get x equal to y the power minus 1 equal to z cube, or x equal to z cube. Let's check our options. So yes, x equal to z cube, this option is correct. X equal to y inverse, this option is also correct. Y equal to z the power minus 3. Yes, this option is also correct. And x equal to y inverse equal to z cube, this option is also correct. So all the options are correct. Alright, thank you.